What's up, guys? Today we are looking at this Hani multi-extension tower. So here's the instructions there. USB output, it's 5 volt, very slow. Made in China. So I got this from Amazon for about 20 euros, which is what, 17-18 pounds. And just trying to open the box here. So here it is. It's this kind of mini tower. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sockets, power switch on and off, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and a really long cable. It's braided, which is quite nice. Not sure what the length, it's super long. It's kind of small tower. You can have it sitting on your desktop. There is a little instruction thing there. Extension lead is not intended for use by persons including children. Just safety instructions. Attention, read all safety, reduce electric shock, use indoors, kind of common sense stuff. So I'll plug it in a minute. Let's see, what's the length of the cord? Rubber stoppers for grip, which is quite nice. Not too heavy. Please note USB is not fast charging, so probably won't use those USB charging slots. Okay. Three meters. Yeah, hang on, let me just do a quick check. Okay, so I did measure it and it is just over 5 meters. I just saw on the box there, it is 5 meters wide. Let me just check. Okay. So the 5 meters one is 24 euros. I think they gave me the incorrect one. 3 meters is more than enough for this. Don't know why. Okay, so I'll plug it in and see what it's like. Okay, so it's on. Light switch turns green. It's not actually flashing, it's just the camera. So off, on. Let me plug in my charger. I'll plug in the USB-Cs. Have USB-C charger. Power on. Fast charging, 56 minutes until full charge. That's the slow charge. Okay, I'm just gonna switch this off. So I have a Samsung charger. It should be super fast. Let's have a look. Super fast charging, 48 minutes. 8 minutes difference. And it works. Thought it would be faster. Let's go off the cable. I'll turn this off. Yeah, the cable being so long is not great. Let's have a look at some of the reviews. Okay, customers find the power strip to be of good quality, mentioning its handy USB and USB-C ports, appreciate its compact size, space saving. Customer notes the 3 meter cable provides plenty of reach. I'm not sure why I got the 5 meter one, because it is too long for my needs. Just too much cable. Way too much cable. Worth every penny. Very happy. Nice and compact. Mini tower of usefulness. Great product. Handy. Keeps everything tidy. Tower extension lead. Space saving product. And generally, overall, it's very good. 4.7 stars out of 5. Any bad ones? That seems to be it that I can see right now. All right, guys. So yeah, just recommendations. Maybe go for the smaller cable. They do a 1.8 meter. So if you're using as but by your office desk, I think that's more than sufficient. A 3 meter one, somewhere is a happy medium. That's the one that I thought I got. And this is the 5 meter one, which I think is overkill. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.